Today, I'm going to show you the Nano Banana 2 leak that's about to change everything. Google just leaked their new image AI. It thinks before it draws, it makes perfect clocks and wine glasses. This is going to blow your mind. The Nano Banana 2 leak just dropped and it's absolutely insane. Google's new image generator doesn't just make pictures anymore. It actually thinks about what you want first, and the results, they're unreal. Let me show you what's going on. So Nano Banana 2 is codenamed GenPix 2 inside Google. It's their next big image tool from the Gemini team. And these leaks are wild. First big thing, it now makes images in 4K, not 2K anymore. Full 4K resolution right out of the box. That's huge for anyone making content. But here's where it gets crazy. It has a multi-step thinking process now. It plans first, then it draws, then it looks at what it made, then it fixes the mistakes, then it gives you the final image. Think about that for a second. Most AI tools just spit out an image and hope for the best. This one checks its own work. That means fewer weird hands, fewer broken objects, fewer things that look off, and get this. It can now make clocks that actually show the right time. You know how AI always messes up text in images? Not anymore. Nano Banana 2 can write actual words that make sense in the right font, in the right place. It understands what a filled wine glass looks like versus an empty one. It gets object consistency, right? That might sound simple, but trust me, current AI tools fail at this all the time. Here's another mind-blowing part. It keeps things consistent across multiple images. Say you make a character in one image, you want that same character in the next image with the same clothes and same face. Nano Banana 2 can do that. Same lighting, same scene, same everything. That's massive for anyone making story content or brand materials. And there's talk about it working on your phone, like on device, a lighter version that runs right on Android. No cloud, no waiting, just fast image creation on your mobile device. Plus there are hints about video generation too. The leaks mention something called temporal logic, which is basically keeping things consistent across video frames. If you make YouTube thumbnails, this is a game changer. If you make marketing visuals, this is a game changer. If you make social media posts, this is a game changer. The quality jump here means less time fixing AI mistakes, less time in Photoshop cleaning things up, more time actually creating and getting your content out there. The images will look more professional right out of the gate. That means your content looks better, your brand looks better, your whole online presence levels up. But here's the thing, these are still leaks. Nothing is official yet. Google hasn't confirmed any of this publicly. No release date has been announced. Some of these features might change, some might not make it to the final version. So we need to be smart about this. Don't bet your whole business on something that's not out yet, but do pay attention, do get ready, because if even half of this is true, it's going to change the game. Let me break down how this thing actually works based on the leaks. It's basically two parts working together. There's a Gemini reasoning core that understands what you want. Then there's a diffusion renderer that makes the actual image. The reasoning part is what makes it special. It's not just generating pixels, it's thinking about your prompt. Understanding context, planning the composition, checking if things make sense. That's why it can get details right that other tools miss. But we need to talk about the risks too, because as these tools get better, the problems get bigger. Deep fakes become harder to spot. Anyone can make realistic fake images, fake screenshots, fake photos, fake everything. That's dangerous for trust, for truth, for knowing what's real. We need better watermarking, better ways to verify AI generated content, better systems to prevent misuse. There's also the surprise error problem. AI can be confident and wrong. It might make something that looks perfect, but has subtle mistakes, details that seem right but aren't. You need to check everything. Don't just trust the output, verify the facts, make sure it matches what you actually need. The better AI gets at looking real, the more careful we need to be. And there's authenticity questions. If everyone can generate perfect images, what makes your content special? What makes it yours? The answer is still your ideas, your strategy, your unique angle. AI is a tool. The tool doesn't make you creative. You make you creative. The tool just helps you execute faster. So focus on being original, focus on having something real to say, then use tools like this to say it better. So here's what you should do right now. First, start collecting good prompts. Write down descriptions of images you want. Practice being specific. Practice describing exactly what you see in your head. The better your prompts, the better your results will be when this tool launches. Second, look at your current image needs. What do you make most often? What takes the most time? What costs the most? Those are the things Nano Banana 2 could help with first. Plan for that. Third, stay updated. Keep watching for official announcements from Google. Keep checking AI news. Keep testing current tools so you understand how these systems work. When Nano Banana 2 drops, You want to hit the ground running. You don't want to be learning from scratch. You want to already know the basics, already have workflows ready, already know what you'll use it for. Fourth, think about your business model. How could high quality instant images change what you offer? Could you add new services? Could you speed up delivery? Could you lower cost? Could you improve quality? Think big here. This isn't just about replacing one tool with another. This is about rethinking what's possible. What could you build if image creation was free and instant? What new products could you make? What new clients could you serve? That's the real opportunity. Look, the bottom line is this: Nano Banana 2 is rumored to be a massive jump forward. If the leaks are accurate, we're looking at professional grade AI image generation stuff that actually works for real business use, not just fun experiments. And you need to be ready for that. You need to be learning AI now, testing tools now, building skills now. So when the next big thing drops, you're not starting from zero. The future of content creation is changing fast. Tools like Nano Banana 2 are just the beginning. We're going to see more of this: better tools, faster tools, cheaper tools.